Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Now I'm in the tomato ground again, about to do some spraying. But when I come this morning, I realized that a lot of these have been taken over with fungus, and I have been doing everything. I have been picking off the leaves and all that, but as I said, those bush are right there blocking off some sun. So over here is extremely cold, and just gonna show you guys what's going on. So the limbs are turning black and the leaves are also turning black. That's a sign of fungus. And I have been using a very strong fungicide called Python, but doesn't seem to be working. As you can see, the limbs are black, and I've been cutting off these, but trust me, I can't go through and cut off everything. That will take the whole day, and I don't have time for that. So I'm just gonna spray, and whatever I get, that's just it. And as you can see from these tomato plants, I have cut off the limbs to the plant, to the tomato fruit, limbs to the fruit. I've also gathered the fungus. So let's just see what's happened with this farm right now, because to me it's not looking very pretty right now, and the time is very cold. You can see this tree is already taking over a whole lot. I think I'm just gonna have to walk through and cut them out, guys. Trust me, I'm gonna have to do that, because if I don't do that, I won't keep anything, because the fungus is gonna continue to spread and to spread through the entire plant. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and cut off all these fungus off the tree before they spread further. So I'm going over here. I'm gonna show you guys more. There, I don't understand how. No man, this is extremely bad. This can't be just cold alone. Look at that. Even the blossoms on the thing have dried off. I don't know, guys. Trust me, I don't know. Now I'm gonna go where the sun rises in the morning. As if you can see up at the top here, so you have sun up here, and yet still look here. Plants are still getting black, same way. So I think I'm gonna have to spray this ground 2 times per week, as I normally spray it once a week. Now I'm gonna have to spray it 2 times per week. Look there, guys. There are actually big tomatoes on here. They're bearing like crazy. Trust me, they're bearing like crazy, and there are also big sweet peppers on the trees. And guys, fungus is taking over everything. So if you guys have any other spray that I can use apart from I've been using Python and Antacol for the fungus, but if you guys know any other spray that I can use, please leave it in the comment section down below. And please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thanks for now. Thanks for all your support, and I'll keep you guys up to date and what's happening. So bye for now.